How to customize page turn effects in your Flipbook. Depending on your style and audience, you can choose between a realistic flip, a smooth card transition, or a clean slide effect. The flip effect makes your publication look just like a real magazine. Pages curl and turn naturally. The card effect creates a neat transition where each page moves like a card being flipped over. And the slide effect lets your pages move smoothly side by side, perfect for modern, minimalistic designs. To change the effect, log into your Publuu account and open the Flipbook you want to edit. Click the Customize button to launch the editor. In the panel on the left, go to the Preferences tab. Here, scroll to the Page Turn Effects section and open the drop-down menu. Select your preferred animation style, flip, card, or slide. Use the preview on the right to instantly see how your Flipbook will look. Once you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check out our full help guide at publuu.com.